To limit the super knob's range, you can use the shortcut Shift and knob position. In this case, limit the maximum range of the knob, so choose position 2. After storing the M position for the new range, the super knob will use its full range again to catch all values in a higher resolution. In this case, from 0 to the new stored value. Select Motion Control, Super Knob, to see the stored values. This setting will be stored in your performance, or can be used temporarily while playing your performance.